In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up prices for your products in the Younote application. Let's begin from the home page. To get started, open the Product module and select Maintain Price from the bottom Product section. This is where you can set up sales prices, sales discounts, and purchase prices for your products. To create a sales price, click the plus icon in the top right corner. A sliding form will appear from the right. Start by selecting the product from the drop-down menu. Once selected, the unit and MRP details will be automatically filled from the product details you have saved. Enter the selling price in the price field. If needed, set a date range in the From and To fields for temporary sales prices. You can also specify which customers this price applies to. Finally, click Save and Close to save the sales price. Here is a pro tip. Use the export and import options to bulk upload product pricing details and save time. Let's set up sales discount. Navigate to the sales discount section at the top. Click the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new discount. Select the product you want to apply the discount to. Enter the discount value in the discount amount field. Save your sales discount by clicking Save and Close. Let's set up purchase price. Go to the purchase price section at the top. Now click the Create Purchase Price icon. Select the product and enter the purchase amount in the price field. Choose the preferred supplier for the product. Click Save and Close to save the purchase price. With these steps, you can efficiently manage sales prices, discounts, and purchase prices for all your products in the Younote application. Thank you for watching and happy pricing with Younote.